Hello everyone, myself Vignesh, representing Maestro Technology Services Pvt Limited. We are a Coimbatore based company. Currently we are in Chennai, Varkadam. Uh, Industry 4.2 focused M-Connect solution. This is our standard solution. We will be having some gateway and hardware and all. Initially we are the software development company for the past 15 years, and for the last 8 years we are developed an R&D, and we created a product called an M-Connect. By using that M-Connect gateway, we can able to communicate with any manufacturing machines, not only with the specific machines or specific controller or specific age and all. So whatever the machine it is, we can able to communicate with that machines and will deliver the real-time data. So the data like production planning, uh, real-time monitoring, QC check sheets in QC areas, maintenance, OE, cycle time, operator efficiency, machine efficiency, and etc. Even we can able to integrate the data with your ERP as well. So the main thing is whatever the industry need, manufacturing industry need, will help them to digitalize their process. This is the core we are doing that.